Good morning, students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss obtaining inverse Laplace transform of the function 7s plus 4 divided by 4a square plus 4s plus 9. Before starting with the result, I'll be taking that property which is useful here. So we have a property which says Laplace inverse of f bar of s minus a is equal to e raised to at into Laplace inverse of f bar of s. Fine. Therefore, what we do before solving this, before applying Laplace inverse on this, I'll be taking denominator first. So let us consider this 4s square plus 4s plus 9 as 4 will be taken common. If I take 4 common, then it becomes s square plus s plus 9 by 4. Means it is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Further, it can be taken as 4 into this s square plus s plus 9 by 4. How it can be written? It has to be written something like s minus a pattern. So what I do, I'll be taking it as it is nothing but s plus 1 by 2 the whole square. If you expand this, what happens? It becomes s square plus 1 by 4 plus 2 times s into 1 by 2, then it get cancelled. So it becomes s. So s square plus s square plus s plus 1 by 4. Then out of 9 by 4, if I remove 1 by 4, then what remains? 2 remains. So that will be written here. Fine. Okay. Then numerator will be taken as pi of s, which is nothing but 7s plus 4. Again here what to do? 7 will be taken common. Then inside of the bracket it is s plus 7 is taken common. Then inside the bracket it will be s plus 7 by 4. Correct? Sorry, 4 by 7. 4 by 7 with some adjustment if I take, because I need s plus 2. So if I take s plus 2, then see here what happens, 7s, okay? Is okay. That is 7 by 2, but I need 4. Then what if I add 1 by 2 again, then it becomes 4 again. See, 7 by 2 plus half, so it is 8. Correct? 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4 again. Yes. Therefore, apply Laplace inverse on the given example. Then Laplace inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9, which is equal to Laplace inverse of fine. What is the meaning of 7s plus 4 now? That is 7 into s plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9. What it means? It means 4 into that 4 is quite common, so I'll be taking it out. Then s plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 2. Fine. Therefore, Laplace inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9 is equal to this. Everything is okay, but what I do, I'll be replacing s plus 1 by 2 by s. Correct? I'll be replacing s plus 1 by 2 by s, where a is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. Fine. Therefore, this 1 by 4 into Laplace inverse of 7, this s plus 1 by 2 will be replaced by s. Right here, replace. So it becomes s plus 1 by 2 divided by, similarly it becomes s square plus 2. Immediately it will be multiplied by an exponential, e raised to at. A is equal to half, so it is t by 2. Fine, t by 2. Therefore, which will be equal to e raised to minus t by 2 divided by 4 into, you take first term by denominator, second term by denominator, then it becomes 7 into Laplace inverse of s divided by s square plus 9. 9. It is not 9, it is, you can see it is, sorry, it is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. But how do you write this 1 by 2? 1 by 2 can be written as square root of 2 the whole square. Okay, 1 by 2 can be written as square root of 2 the this is 2 only, then it is square root of 2 raised to 2 plus second 1 by 2 common, then Laplace inverse of 1 divided by s square plus this 2, which is nothing but square root to the square. Fine. Therefore, which is equal to e raised to minus t by 2 divided by 4 into 7. What is Laplace inverse of s divided by s square plus root 2 the square? That is nothing but 7 into cos root 2 t plus 1 by 2 into, what it is, this is nothing but sine root 2 t divided by